I came to Rwanda in 2017. Landy Industries, we established in 2018 and started operating in 2019. We're producing plastic shoes, gumboots, and sports shoes, and all other fashion shoes. There was a story that when I came with a bus, because I want to see how it is for the situation of Rwanda. Security in Rwanda is really good and people are very nice. Then when I travel in the market, I see that there are many products which we can produce in this local, and people import from outside at a very high price. Then we decide to come to Rwanda to open the factory. We start with 14 local employees. After that, we start to recruit more. The challenges we have, people still not used to made in Rwanda. Yeah, they don't think that Rwandans can manufacture good things. When they see my product like this, they think that this is import from other country, not made in Rwanda. Yeah. So another thing is that even if some people, they see this is made in Rwanda, they think that made in Rwanda does not have good quality. That is the first pictures in the mind. Actually, you see, for us, we need to be more confident with ourselves. Rwandans can make good things. You see, you are so clever. For the workers which we have, that we don't need to train them for a long time. 1 month, 2 months, they already know what to do, and you see the speed, what they do. They know how to control the quality. We can make our own products and to trust and supporting made in Rwanda. Even if the market in Rwanda is not so big, but we can export to the neighboring countries. We try to export to Kenya. You know, Kenya has many factories. When we took our samples to Kenya, they see it. Also, they realized Rwanda we have good products, so we can also export to even Kenya. In other African countries, corruption is so much. In Rwanda, we don't face such kind of headache. No, yeah. And when we go to the government, we see that speed is really different with other countries. Our vision, for now, the space is very limited for us. We are planning to get another land. This is 27,000 square meters. We are planning to get another, maybe if more, then we start the construction our own warehouse and to recruit more local employment. Now we have like 1,300. By next year, if we already get the land this year, by next year we can have like 2,500 to 3,000 local employees.